Asian glazed wings. They are delicious, sticky, sweet, and sour. Let me show you how to make them. First, we're gonna marinate the wings. And for that, we need 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon dark sesame oil, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, a 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, or even better if you can find a spice called gochujang. It's a Korean fermented red pepper. It's even better. Otherwise, cayenne will do. 2 garlic cloves and 1 piece of ginger, about 1.5 to 2 inches, and about a dozen chicken wings. Alright, so peel the ginger, and the best way to peel ginger is to use the back of a knife and just basically scrape the side of it. That's the easiest way to peel the ginger. In a Ziploc bag or food grade bag, grate the ginger. I bet you've never seen a box grater this big. This is a gigantic one. Perfect for grating small stuff. Then grate the garlic as well. Add the rest of the ingredients. Soy sauce, sesame oil, brown sugar. Add the chicken, mix very well, let it marinate for about 2 hours. After a few hours of marinating, line a baking sheet with parchment paper and spray it with cooking oil. The brown sugar in the wings is gonna caramelize and is gonna become very sticky. That's why we need to spray the parchment paper very well so that the wings don't stick to it. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and arrange the wings on the paper and discard the rest of the marinade. Roast them at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. So after 20 minutes, we're gonna flip them over and put them back for another 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna make our glaze. For that, we need 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon fish sauce. This stuff is very powerful, so just a few drops are more than enough. We need 1 scallion, small bunch of cilantro, 1 tablespoon dark sesame oil, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 tablespoons honey, 1 lime, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 inch ginger. In a small sauce pot, we're gonna add all the ingredients except for the cornstarch, the scallion, and the cilantro. So, sesame oil goes in, soy sauce, honey, fish sauce. Then peel and grate the ginger as well. Grate the garlic in the pot. Then zest the lime and add the zest into the pot too. The zest of the whole lime. If you don't have one of these microplane graters, you need one because it's very versatile. It's perfect. As you can see, it grates just the oily part of the skin without the pith, which is bitter. You can also use it to grate Parmesan cheese or any other cheese. Use it to grate carrots, anything really. It's a really handy tool to have. The only thing is, microplanes are very sharp. That's why I don't use it to grate garlic or ginger, because I don't want my fingers to get too close to this. Then we'll juice half of the lime and add it to the pot. Add the brown sugar, stir a little bit, and then transfer it to the stove and bring it to a boil. While the sauce is cooking, we're gonna roughly chop the leaves of the cilantro. Then I'm gonna cut also the scallion. Very thin slices. Drop a few pieces on the white side into the pot and let it boil some more. When the sauce thickens, As you can see, it starts forming. Add about 1 teaspoon of water to the cornstarch and mix it very well to make a slurry. Then slowly pour it into the sauce while stirring to thicken it. And as you can see, it's nice and thick and it's ready. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. After another 20 minutes, the wings are nicely browned and falling off the bone. Transfer them into the bowl with the sauce. Add the scallions, add the cilantro, and mix very well to coat the wings into the sauce, cilantro, and the scallions. And it's ready. And there they are, Asian glazed wings. You can have them as an appetizer, or you can pair them with Asian noodle salad. The recipe is in the next video for a nice summer meal. Enjoy. Bon appetit.